Erosion once, the strongest net. It fed on souls and human death. It promised fire, it promised peace, to keep the kings and their beliefs. Erosion comes, decay begins. Entropy will always win. The roots will hold it fed with care, like faith or fear or thin-spun prayer. We pour in energy, pretend control, to keep the dam from letting go. Now we've got media to bind the thoughts and fears of humankind. They echo power, shape the play, and never seem to drift away. They think they're free, they play the part, but stay so close to where kings start. Memes like chains, unseen, refined. They hold the slope of every mine. Vegetation in the market's flow is branding, binding, soft and slow. Transferred payments up to down, a subtle way to calm the town. Erosion comes, decay begins.